Hey there, YouTube fans. AC Productions here. I'm coming across a very unusual situation. Has this ever happened to you guys? I went to go start up my bike, turn on the key, go ahead to start it, and I get this. You guys hear that? I just get a clicky noise. So I'm like racking my brain. I'm like, well, I know my starter relay fuse is not popped because obviously the screen's on. So the only thing I can think of is it's a low battery. So the reason I have a low battery is because I do have some stuff connected to the bike and I haven't had a chance to connect it to the tender. Honestly, could have kind of been lazy. Therefore, the battery kind of got drained. So even though it doesn't take that much power to turn on the screen, it does take a little bit of juice to turn on the bike. So to remedy this, let's go over to the back part of the bike or where the main seat is. And let me show you how to charge up the battery. Okay, in order to get access to the battery, you are going to need to remove this panel here. It's going to be with a 4mm Allen key, so let's go ahead and remove that, and then make sure that you're careful on popping this guy out right there. So that's already removed. Okay, so next it's going to be a 5mm Allen key, and it's going to be a screw on each side. So make sure you remove the panels on both sides for that part we just removed, and then the screw for the seat, one on this side, one on that side. So it's a 5mm Allen key. Go ahead and take those screws out, then you'll be able to remove your seat. So pop that guy out, and now you have access to where the battery is located, which is right there. All right, now I got that part open. So now I'm going to grab my cables right here, and I'm going to go ahead and connect it to the battery. Give it a charge for a good 5 to 10 minutes. That should be enough to get it started. Alrighty guys, after you're done charging the battery, you can go ahead and put your main seat back on and put the plastics back on. Okay, now that you're done charging, go ahead and start up your bike. Alrighty guys, so that pretty much concludes the video on if you ever had that issue happen to you about the no start situation even though you have your gauge cluster screen on. If it did help you out, please smash that like button. Don't forget to also share my video, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. That way you guys are up to date with all my latest installations and how-tos, I would say. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And if you're looking for a charger for your motorcycle, they don't make this one anymore, but I'll try to look for something similar to this one and also post that in the description box as well. And also I have another video that I have coming up. You probably already see the super short about it, but I have a video coming up about how to install this guy for your bike where this will allow you to never be stranded out on the road again. I show you how to connect the cable and just be able to bring this as a lifesaver. So don't forget to check out that video unless I already have that video. If I do, it'll be posted right up here on the top, or it'll be probably mentioned at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, take care. Catch you guys on the next one.